what advice would you give to other female founders, especially those, women of color who may be trying to, start something or create a market for an issue set that may not be as, for lack of a better word, maybe mainstream at that time and kind of push through that? How do you think about that?
For anyone who's considering entering or starting, whether it's a company, an initiative, or even just like shifting, right? And you're early. One of the advice I got, really great advice from actually an advisor, an investor, who said, you're not wrong, you're just early. And there was something about that, and that's something that I carry with me now. I'm often, I'm wrong sometimes, but I'm often not wrong in the conviction and in what I know to be a problem. I'm just early. And so for the women of color who are considering jumping into a system that wasn't, or jumping into an industry that wasn't created or designed for our full participation, right? I'd say do whatever you can to stay the course. You are likely early. You're not wrong. I'd also say, what really helped me was knowing my worth and my value, and honestly, bootstrapping my company is what gave me the longevity and the sustainability to keep at it for so long and to kind of wait for the industry to catch up. I think back, I talk a lot about not getting those checks early on, but I think not getting those checks was probably one of my biggest blessings, because it forced me to find the other pockets. And we started outside of healthcare. So we started in education, doing health equity work. But it forced me to find the other pockets where people were a little bit more eager, a little bit more open to prove this concept and model, to generate revenue that allowed us to weather a pandemic and do all the work that we're doing. And to now be in a place where we are leading, where we're modeling, and we're showing that you can run a company, be profitable, have incredible impact on multiple levels, and build with community in a way that hasn't been done before.